Welcome to Toon Morph Madness. Which Christmas transformation will be the best? Iron Man, Transformation Christmas Hero. Spider-Man, Transformation Holiday Hero. Black Widow, Transformation Christmas Hero. Hulk, Transformation Holiday Hero. Moon Knight, Transformation Christmas Hero. Captain America, Transformation Holiday Hero. Loki, Transformation Christmas Hero. Green Lantern, Transformation Holiday Hero. Wolverine, Transformation Christmas Hero. Black Panther, Transformation Holiday Hero. Cyclops, Transformation Christmas Hero. Batman, Transformation Holiday Hero. Aquaman, Transformation Christmas Hero. Thanos, Transformation Holiday Hero. She-Hulk, Transformation Christmas Hero. Venom, Transformation Holiday Hero. Doctor Strange, Transformation Christmas Hero. The Flash, Transformation Holiday Hero. Deadpool, Transformation Christmas Hero. Wonder Woman, Transformation Holiday Hero. Daredevil, Transformation Christmas Hero. Beast, Transformation Holiday Hero. Thor, Transformation Christmas Hero. Gamora, Transformation Holiday Hero. Nick Fury, Transformation Christmas Hero. Robin, Transformation Holiday Hero. Carnage, Transformation Christmas Hero. Groot, Transformation Holiday Hero. Mr. Fantastic, Transformation Christmas Hero. Star-Lord, Transformation Holiday Hero. Scarlet Witch, Transformation Christmas Hero. Ant-Man, Transformation Holiday Hero. Doctor Doom, Transformation Christmas Hero. The Thing, Transformation Holiday Hero. Falcon, Transformation Christmas Hero. Vision, Transformation Holiday Hero. Ghost Rider, Transformation Christmas Hero. Green Goblin, Transformation Holiday Hero. Shazam, Transformation Christmas Hero. Professor X, Transformation Holiday Hero. Nebula, Transformation Christmas Hero. Red Skull, Transformation Holiday Hero. Hawkeye, Transformation Christmas Hero. Superman, Transformation Holiday Hero. Drax, Transformation Christmas Hero. Black Adam, Transformation Holiday Hero. Human Torch, Transformation Christmas Hero. The Joker, Transformation Holiday Hero. Colossus, Transformation Christmas Hero. What do you want to see in a video next? Don't forget to like and subscribe.